friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's our video is for class 9 and we are discussing the second part of work and energy. In today's session, we'll try to discuss about the energy, the different forms of energy. We'll also try to discuss about the kinetic energy, the potential energy, and the examples related to these forms of energy. So let's start today's session. Energy. The capacity to do work is called as energy. The SI unit of energy is joule. There are different forms of energies as available like nuclear energy, magnetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy. Energy is the central concept in science. It is being given by measuring through calculations. All forms of energy are either into the kinetic energy or into the potential energy. So let's elaborate how these forms of energies will react. Kinetic energy. As we know that the energy that an object has because of its motion is called as kinetic energy. Here are some examples related to kinetic energy. The kinetic energy we can also define it as the work done on an object. By formula, kinetic energy is equal to force into displacement. The expression for kinetic energy. Let's suppose a stationary object of mass m moves because of the applied force. Let its initial velocity be vi. Let the force F be applied and this generates acceleration and time t. But after its final velocity, the acceleration will become the displacement, that is W is equal to F into S. But according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Now put this value of F in equation 1, we get W is equal to m into A into S. After, we know that V square is equal to U square plus twice. By expressing the value in terms of S, now put this value in equation 1, it becomes W is equal to m into A into V square minus U square upon twice A. And it will become half of mv square minus U square. But as you know, if the initial velocity is 0, then the equation will become half of mv square. The moving object has some energy. The work done by a force to display a stationary object in motion is the kinetic energy gained by that object. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy stored in object because of its position or state. Here are two examples have been shown which relates or which shows the potential energy. In these two examples, potential is a stored amount of energy that it has been shown. To carry the object of mass m to a height h above the earth's surface, the force mg is needed. So that's why after carrying this, the amount of work done will be W is equal to force into displacement. As mathematically we write it as mg into h. So that's why W is equal to mgh. So we can define potential energy is m into g into h. Free fall. Let's look at the kinetic and the potential energy object of mass m falling freely from the height h. So therefore, when a body is under the influence of gravitational force of earth, then we can say that the body is under the free fall. Power. Power is the rate at which work is done. It is defined as W upon T in watt joule upon second. The units of the powers in kilowatts are given below. The unit of energy for the commercial use is 1 kilowatt per hour. Mathematically, it is shown like this. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1 unit.
So friends, as we discussed today the various forms of the energies and the examples related to them, I hope you understand this video very well. So stay safe and keep watching the videos. Keep supporting my channel also. Thank you. Concept related to today's topic, I have given some links below in the description box. So go there and check out the more information in today's topic.